everyone, today we are going to be taking a look at the Wensley. No, that is not a Harry Potter character, but that is a house that's been given that name because it's located in Wensleydale, which is just out the back of Anglesea on Victoria's surf coast. The owners that live here, they call this place the Shed. Don't know about you, but that don't look like any shed I've ever seen. It's windswept out here, the sun's not on our side, so I'm kind of keen to get inside. Let's go. Ooh, may have trodden in cash. Watch this. Here we go. Welcome to my home. I wish. How amazing is this? This whole wall is just amazing. How good is that? Oh, maybe I've broken them. Oh no, we're back. We're good, we're good. Should we see if that's actually still going by the time we get back? Just a cheeky table for 10. Ah. All right, let's kettle it up. Oh, what is this view too? Now we've got to find the tea. Ooh. Don't mind if I do. I like the hidden pantry. It's cool. Bedroom 1. This is beautiful. Prepare yourselves. Next level. And if you don't like or want an indoor bath, just go outside. And outdoor shower. Totally standing here in the nutty, no one sees you, except just a couple of pervy cows. I mean, what's wrong with that? Ooh, master bedroom. Walk-in robe. You would never wake up unhappy. This is just beautiful. All right, now let's go upstairs. Very important. Liquor cabinet. How good is this? Not 1, not 2, but 3 beds. And look at these beautiful cutout details. How incredible is that? Just hang out here. You could hang out here. You could hang out over here. Cute as this little fish. Ready? Oh. And look, you get to look down on all of that deliciousness. So you can fit 6 people sleeping up here easy. And plus you've got this beautiful bathroom. Oh my God, these bathrooms are so nice. Oh, I love these. I just want to touch everything. It's ridiculous. All right, we've got to go see if my tea is ready. Oh, it's not screaming yet. Come on. Beautiful. Let's go see the front. These doors have some serious weight to them. Whoa, there's that wing. How good is that? Oof. Just a cheeky backyard. No biggie. For my tea. Beautiful. Okay, first up, this house is straight up awesome. If I was to describe to you the way this house feels, it's almost as if a scruffy yet sexy farmer was discovered by a modeling agency in the middle of a supermarket, and then all of a sudden he found himself on the cover of Vogue. It's honest, it's wholesome, it's incredibly raw, but what really lifts this space is its attention to detail. The materials and the way that it has been finished, next level, and it really, really elevates it and creates this incredibly sophisticated look. The whole house is basically surrounded by timber. I mean, it's literally the feature of this house. There are timber walls, there's timber floors, there's timber ceilings, there's timber everywhere. And in fact, there's not even any plaster anywhere in this house. Paired with that, also with the timber, there's also a lot of concrete, so there's a lot of heavy masculine elements, which might usually kind of come across as being a bit cold, but this house is nothing but cold. This house is so, so warm, and the reason it is because of the way that it has been designed in terms of its fixtures and its features. The interiors is what gives it its warmth. Everywhere you go, it just feels cozy. It literally feels like you've come home and like a nonna's there waiting to wrap her arms around you. It's just, oh, just everything. You want to touch everything. There are touches of luxury everywhere in this home. The bathtubs, I mean, the outdoor bathtubs, the outdoor showers, the fireplace is awesome. I actually really love that fireplace. It's probably one of the most favorite things in this home for me because it really kind of centralizes a space. It creates a beautiful hub. You know, the kitchen, the dining is beautiful, but I think the real activity is surrounded around that fireplace area. The showstopper, of course, is that full window with those views, and the fact that you can open up those doors and actually let in the air. You are quite literally bringing the outside in, and that's what I absolutely love about this space. The owner was actually inspired by American ski chalets and those barns, so that's kind of why we've got a lot of these angles. Those angles can often make for awkward spaces, but they've used every single nook and cranny. There's always a cupboard you'll find somewhere. There's always a light switch somewhere, like the cheeky fish lights upstairs with the beds. I love it. And the way also that they've reflected, if you notice, they reflect the angles also in their windows, and the shapes of their windows reflect that of the roof, which I think is really, really clever because it lets, not only does it look good, but it lets a lot of light in, and that light is just beautiful. I mean, I have been walking around here taking photos everywhere, and I have literally not taken a bad photo because the light in this house is just beautiful. So basically, this house is great. The design's amazing, the interiors are phenomenal, but what really makes this house truly, truly special is its location and its view. Okay guys, that is it from us. We have to hand back the keys and get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this house tour. There's plenty more to come, and if you actually have a house that you think we should go visit, even it might be your own, let us know in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. There's plenty more where this came from. We'll see you soon. That's all right. Kids dinner.
Oh, go from the stairs. Oh my god, and you timed it perfectly. Yeah. It's whistling now.